Hi guys, how are you? I don't know if you can hear me or not because I'm in a cab and it's raining outside. I have not reached my home yet and हमने जुगाड़ लगाया है तो यहाँ पे लाइट लाने के लिए my husband he has put like flashlight on so that I can talk about Virgil van Dijk because जब तक मैं घर पहुँचूँगी तब तक एक नया न्यूज़ आ जाना है and it'll be done for and I can't wait to talk about Virgil van Dijk. Finally, our captain is going to stay for another 2 years. I am so happy. It was long due, had to be done as soon as possible. Like we were waiting for this since so long. I'm so happy the contract situation is like seriously done. Pehle Mohamed Salah, now Virgil van Dijk. How happy are you?
I'm very happy. I'm almost as happy as about the fact that it's raining in Kolkata.
Oh yeah, like we were really waiting for the rain because it is rain in every part of West Bengal but not in Kolkata. I don't know हमारे घर के आसपास बारिश हो रही होगी कि नहीं, but now I'm stuck in traffic. You can see it's raining outside and अभी अभी बस ऑफिस से आए ही हैं and such a good news about Virgil van Dijk. I am so psyched. I think I've already said that we were like seriously waiting for this to happen. Now I do not know if Trent is going to sign or not, but उसकी तरफ से कोई भी inclination है नहीं इस चीज़ का. कल ही Real Madrid UCL से आउट हुआ है, so I don't know why did I say that. I think because Trent is going to go to Real Madrid शायद, that's why I'm just trying to link it with that. I wish Trent stays. I wish we get a news of that as well, that Trent is going to stay as well, but I don't think that is what is going to happen. Please turn on the flashlight. Okay guys, wait for 2 minutes. We're turning on the flashlight and yes, I'm back. So yeah, this is what I had to talk about. By the way, वैसे आपने तो हर जगह सुना ही होगा कि समर ट्रांसफ़र विंडो लिवरपूल का ऐसा बोल रहे हैं कि बहुत ही ताबड़तोड़ होने वाला है, बहुत साइनिंग्स होंगे, बहुत टीम देखना कैसा रीबिल्ड करेंगे. बट लिवरपूल को जितना मैं जानती हूँ ये सब ख्याली पुलाव बहुत टाइम से हम लोग सुनते आ रहे हैं और देखते आ रहे हैं, बट जब तक ये हो नहीं जाता तब तक आई एम नॉट रियली गोइंग टू बिलीव इन इट एंड आई एम नॉट इवन बिलीविंग दैट ट्रेंट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू स्टे एट लिवरपूल क्योंकि जब तक वो फाइनल नहीं हो जाता आई डोंट वांट टू like make any opinions or start hating on the player, or not even hate, but the way the whole situation has turned out to be. I'm not seriously very happy about it, but let the things be, for sure, like permanent होने दो चीज़ों को कि हाँ ये वही में सही में जाने वाला है, तब हम बात करेंगे उस चीज़ की. अगर वो गया, I'm still hoping that he will stay and summer transfer window में जो होगा वो देखा जाएगा. But right now I think the leadership of Virgil van Dijk would be very important going ahead. I hope that we can get the maximum out of it. Virgil is ambitious, Mohamed Salah is ambitious, और जो क्लब के एरा का जो अपना एक प्रॉपर सेट ऑफ टीम था जिन्होंने साथ में बहुत कुछ जीता था वो धीरे धीरे करके ख़त्म हो रहा है. आज ही मैं ना एक पोस्टर देख रही थी, मेरे रूम में लगा हुआ था और वहाँ पे ना आई वाज सीइंग ऊपर लगा हुआ है जब जेरार्ड ने UCL का ट्रॉफी उठाया था इस्तांबुल में, और नीचे ही उसके साथ है जब हेंडरसन ने उठाया था. हेंडरसन के आसपास जितने भी लोग थे ना, दे ऑल हैव लेफ्ट नाउ. देन यू जस्ट सडनली स्टार्ट टू रियलाइज़ कि एक टाइम आएगा व्हेन साला, वैन डाइक, रॉबर्टसन ये सारे ही अपने प्लेयर्स नहीं होंगे एंड इट विल रियली हर्ट अ लॉट बिकॉज ओह फ्लैश लाइट. एंड तब एक्चुअली में रियलाइज़ होगा कि भाई कितना ज़्यादा these things hurt, like when you have to move on from these things. So I'm happy that Virgil का leadership and Mohamed Salah का consistency and what he brings to the table will be seen for another 2 years. I hope these two become even bigger than who they already are. That's what I'm hoping for. And बाकी देखते हैं कौन नए लोग आते हैं कौन नहीं आते, but of course बहुत सारे signings हैं जिनकी हमको ज़रूरत है. आगे क्या एम रहता है आर्ने स्लॉट का, we are yet to see that, but I'm very happy with the one trophy that we have in our hands. Let's go. And again it's a Virgil van Dijk Thursday. कल छुट्टी, परसों छुट्टी, then Sunday तो छुट्टी है ही. It's a good day. It's overall a very good day, right? Watch him defend and you watch him score. He passed the ball, come as you like. He's Virgil van Dijk. He's Virgil van Dijk. कॉन्सर्ट चल रहा है. Okay, that is it for the video. I can't talk more than this. I just had to update and share the good news with you all, and that is it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon. Don't try to ghusofa in the video now. You lost your chance when I was like seriously cheering about Virgil van Dijk. That was your cue to get in and cheer with me. You did not do it then.
मेरे को भूख लगी है.
मुझे भी भूख लग रही है यार. Let's go. Okay, yeah. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, hit the bell icon so never miss a video from me. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste. I can't do namaste here. Just so stupid.